The Department of Environmental Quality continues to investigate a drain pipe spewing out a bizarre concoction. WAFB's David Spunt following the story tonight for us. David, what'd you find out?
Well, Graham, we received an email yesterday with this picture on it. It obviously caught our eye. We made some calls today, found out this red liquid still spewing out. The small creek across from Our Lady of the Lake Hospital looks like this. A pinkish liquid poured out of this drain pipe for at least 24 hours. It's normally reserved for a small trickle of rainwater.
It's definitely some sort of chemical, maybe a cleaning agent or something like that. Assistant
DPW Director David Guillory says his office received several calls from concerned citizens. The Department of Environmental Quality is also involved.
We've had people out there yesterday and today working with the parish to find out where this is coming from and what exactly is this. We have not seen any dead fish. We haven't seen any dead birds.
Rodney Mallet with DEQ says whatever it is, it's unlikely toxic. Just on the other side of the bridge next to the hospital, the creek looks normal, full of minnows and plant life.
We are going to be getting some samples to test it. Once we find the source, it'll be a lot easier to figure out exactly what it is.
We want to talk to some of the businesses around there. So we are actively investigating, but it's too early to say exactly what it is or who discharged this.
A little while ago, I confirmed through DPW, Benny's Car Wash is the source on Essen. I'm told by the Department of Environmental Quality they will charge Benny's for the cleanup efforts. They are still trying to find out exactly what the chemical gram is, although they think it may be some kind of cleaning agent. I called Benny's for comment, did not hear back. Graham?
An interesting story, David. Glad we figured that out. Thank you so much. Remember, you can get more on this story, the complete story, also on WAFB.com.